So I'm on this service call, and well, I noticed the compressor wasn't running. So this is how to check a compressor. We're gonna ohm it out. My meter leads together, work. Gonna open line. It's not good. So I'm gonna have to go to the compressor, but open line, and now here's the third wire. Open line. Oh, we got something very high resist. Okay, that one's good. That's not. So we're not grounded, or we'd be blowing the breaker. But now I'm going to go to the compressor because I don't trust just off the leads in case something disconnected. And as I come in here, wires don't look broken. That looks a little squished, but let's see. How are my terminals? Oh, this compressor's hot. It's really, really hot. So yeah, it's off on thermal. Not even worth checking here yet until I cool it off. I'm gonna run water on it. Boom. So here I go. Starting to spray. You can see that steam just coming right off of it. It's very hot. What I'm gonna do is dry this off, dry that off, just plug this on. There's no power, just to kind of keep those a little bit on the drier side. You could just see that steam coming right off that compressor. So just watering a compressor. It's like watering grass in a garden. It's watering a compressor. See, is it gonna steam still? Just trying to get the overload to reset inside. Hopefully it's not shot. Once I get it to close, I'm gonna meg it to see what the insulation's like, because when you overheat it, you could damage your insulation. Let's see, is it still hot? Still have steam coming off the side, you see? So I'm gonna hose it for a little bit longer. Alright, so now I've cooled this off. I'm not gonna say it's perfect, but it's cooled down. So now I'm gonna connect this to the ground. I'm gonna meg it, because this is the best way to check a compressor. Make sure the insulation's good. So, boom, we're on the post. You always gotta be on a good ground. Okay. Good. Now for the next terminal. Okay. Good. And the last terminal. Dang. Of course my tools like to fall. But, I mean, I bet you guys never seen a Meg this old. I'm kidding. Boom. On. Good. So all the terminal insulations are good. So they all, because they're good, I should be testing the compressor. It should test good. So let's go here to here for 3.9. Okay, here to here. 2.9. Here to here. 2. Good. Yeah. Perfect. Okay, so this should turn on. Yeah. Cause of this we have to find. Back on. Okay. Just gonna reconnect the wires. So let's see if we start. Boom, it's on. Alright. So compressor came back on. Let's see what my pressures are. Uh-oh, that's why we overheated. No charge. I'm gonna have to add R22 to this thing. That's what it looks like. I gotta see what they want to do though, because that compressor is struggling. So that's why it overheated and opened the windings. Alright, so they want to see at 3 pounds what happens. May not go the full 3, we may go more, but let's see what's going on with this machine. Our scale is starting at 0. So low pressures, almost nothing. That's open. And gas it. I can go up to 3 pounds. May not need it, but we only used 1 ounce. Let's see where we go. But suction's high. Liquid line is lower than suction. So let's gas it and see what happens. We're at 69 now. 68 PSI. I might have to go in as liquid because my can pressure is not that high. Let's stop for a sec. So we're 4 ounces and 6 PSI. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going liquid. I'm gonna flip my can. And this is gonna go a lot quicker. Okay, home. Cancel, boom. Okay. We have no subcooling, it's a TXV. So we've got 1 pound and let's see what happens. Boom. At 1 pound, where are we? Superheat. Boom. Look, my liquid and suction, same temperature, and something is not right there. So I got them on the wrong line. I believe they're on the wrong line. So let's switch. Oh wait, no. That should be good. I just don't have any superheat. Whoopsie. Well, we're up to 15 at 1 pound. Let's see what happens. Will we get closer? Here we go. We're gonna go another pound. I'm not even gonna bother to care what that says yet. Let's get to 2 pounds and then see. Because we definitely need at least another pound or 2. So let's see when we get to 2. Because look, suction line is still 86 degrees. Liquid line's dropping. Maybe I do have the wrong side. Whoop, whoop. Yep, okay. Okay, we're almost at 2. 86, we're still not cooling. Oh, 2, okay, stop it. Let's see where we are. Oh, yeah, that's not too promising yet. No subcool. Suction line is 87 superheat. Is it dropping? Well, I told them no matter what. Let's give it a minute and see, but I don't think this is too promising. Because suction line got warmer. Liquid line did too. But that's good because it's rejecting heat, and that can't be, liquid line cannot be colder than the outside. So see, outside is in the 90s. So let's go my last pound. That's all I could do. It's 91, I think, somewhere around there. Here's the last pound. Hopefully this does something, or they got to put in another one. Two and a half. Compressor at least is sounding a little better. So that means this should start to come down, which it is. All right, let's stop it at 3. Okay, 3 pounds. Gonna let it run for a minute. I gotta go to the bathroom. All right, I said one more. So we're going to 4. But this is at least dropping a little.
I have a question. Like 2 years ago,
Yeah.
like some other guy told us that the leaking was in the unit upstairs.
All right.
Is there any way to repair that instead, or I don't know?
You're not gonna have refrigerant though for it. That's gonna be the biggest problem. Is that you're not gonna have the refrigerant available. Right now, 5 pounds. 26 degrees of superheat. I'm curious to see where this goes. Suction pipe is 59. Superheat's dropping. I may have gotten a good charge with the 5. May not be perfect, but might have got a good charge. Except for it's a little worrisome on an 87 degree day, a 60 degree friggin' suction. But superheat's coming down, suction line's coming down. So I'm gonna ask them to just make sure their filter's clean also. So this is actually a high velocity system. I mean, my superheat's 21, it's not bad, subcool. I have a 20 degree split inside. So I'm gonna leave this how it is. I mean, I'm not going over what they don't want to spend money on, but it's actually cooling pretty nice right now. Well, till next time, I'm out. You got that nice, sweaty beer can, cold suction line. Somebody banged up. Peace.